On a barren island in the Pacific, life begins with danger. From beneath the sand, a baby iguana emerges from its shell. It doesn't know yet. The first thing it sees is death waiting. Hidden among the rocks, dozens of snakes lie in ambush. Their vision is poor, but they sense every movement. If the iguana stays still, it's safe, for now. But one small move, and hell awakens. Snakes explode from the shadows, racing toward their prey. The iguana bolts. Every step is a battle between speed and death. One snake almost grabs its tail, but the iguana twists, leaps, and breaks free in the blink of an eye. The snakes tangle together, fighting for the kill, while it dashes away like lightning. Ahead, a steep rock wall. Behind, the snakes, closing in fast. No turning back. The iguana climbs, every move a fight for its life. And finally, it reaches the top, safe from the jaws of death. A tiny warrior, surviving its very first race for life. On an island ruled by hunters, today the iguana survives. But tomorrow, the battle for life begins again.